Virtual reality, 3D projection, immersive sound. These topics have always been fascinating people, both in terms of the experience, but also from a technical point of view. Despite VR and AR being a topic for decades, we now see for the first time millions of playback devices in the market. So it's now finally a matter of available content. Straightforward, cost-effective production of quality VR content, this is exactly what Steinberg VR stands for. It is one of our latest innovations and the collective term for all our VR initiatives, turning Nuendo and Cubase into a full-blown VR production platform. We've been looking very intensively at VR production workflows, and our main goal is to stay as closely as possible at standard DAW workflows. So you don't have to learn a new workflow to start VR production, which means that Nuendo and Cubase will receive all VR tools with an update. You create a third-order ambisonics bus instead of a stereo bus. You simply exchange your standard panel with the onboard VR panel. You listen back to the binaural sound in the monitor section, and you connect Nuendo or Cubase with your HMD over the supplied head tracking plugin. It's a completely integrated workflow.
At the same time, we are an industry-open platform for third-party tools, such as Facebook, Audio 360, and all other VST solutions. Being the inventor of the VST standard, it is our goal to help and to promote VR technology. For this, we have and we will extend the VST3 SDK with VR capabilities. For example, we have now ambisonic boost support up to the third order, and we have dedicated interfaces for head tracking. This all together allow VST3 plugin manufacturers and developers to seamlessly integrate their product and plugins into Nuendo and Cubase.
Steinberg is part of Yamaha, and this opens up fantastic possibilities to collaborate.
ViReal
consists of a 360-degree high-angular resolution one-point microphone with editing tools for spatial audio and highly realistic 3D audio rendering technologies for loudspeaker and headphones. The ambisonics audio stream recorded with ViReal mic can be edited by software tools like Nuendo VR. The rendering technology of ViReal achieved a sense of presence at a new level. It was developed through extensive research on human head and ear shapes. We will start by providing ViReal's 3D audio rendering technology for headphones in the form of VSD plugins for binaural content creation and WWise plugins to make all sounds interactively three-dimensional in video games.
These are exciting times. We are committed to deliver the best immersive sound production experience by providing an industry-open platform that makes recording and production of VR and AR content easy and very efficient.